In this video, we'll have a look at setting up appointments on the EzyCourse platform. You can create a new appointment by going to the Appointments section under the Products menu. First, we'll give the event a name. And next, you get to choose the event type. So this can be an in-person event, it can be Google Meet, it can be some other virtual meeting, and in the future, you can expect to see more event types appearing here. Next, we'll enter the location. And here you can choose to sync with Google Calendar. What this will do is check your Google Calendar for availability, but also put in the appointments that are booked in this way. You can set up a sync with your Google Calendar in the Settings menu on the EzyCourse dashboard. This is covered in a different lesson. Next, you can type some instructions. And then we move on to the date settings. So firstly, you can choose how long into the future invitees can schedule for, whether that's indefinitely or whether they can only book a certain number of days in advance. Next, you can choose the duration of the meeting. And then you can save your weekly free hours. This is simply setting up slots that you'll be available for. So let's say on a Monday, I am available at 10 a.m. I also have another slot, let's say at 12 p.m. and I also have a slot at 3 p.m. and also one at 5 p.m. I'll repeat that for each of the days that I'll be available on. As with everything on EzyCourse, an appointment can be free or paid. If you choose paid, you get to choose the price it is currently selling at, and if you want to add a strike-through price, the price it would normally sell at, you can in this box. You can opt to send a reminder 30 minutes before the appointment. You can allow users to cancel and reschedule appointments. And you can also choose how long before the appointment they are able to cancel or reschedule. Let's say not more than 2 hours before. If you want to set up group appointments, you can use the Allow Multiple Bookings at the same slot. This will allow people to book onto a group session. You can choose the maximum number of bookings per slot. Then click Save. On the appointment screen, using this button, you can view appointments, edit the appointment, you can manually book appointments, you can turn off bookings, and you can also delete the appointment too. Let's now have a look at what this looks like for the users of your site. I've already created a page and I've used the appointment widget to display the appointment that I want people to book. Here you can see that I've set availability on a Monday and Friday, and I've made some available slots. When the user chooses the date, they can then choose a slot to book. Because I've chosen the Google Sync option, this is looking at my own Google Calendar and presenting only available slots when I haven't got something else in my calendar.